Hello guys, so what we're doing right now is an unboxing of this newly purchased Enlan A11 action camera. This is part of Lazada's online revolution, so it means that they gave me a discount for purchasing this one. Original price of this action cam is 3,800, but I was able to get it for only around 2,349 pesos. So that's including shipping and handling. Delivery is around 2 to 3 business days. So let's start checking the specifications. So according to the specification, it has a 2.6 inch HVGA IPS, a quad-core processor, an Android 4.4 operating system. It comes with 1 gig RAM plus 4 gig ROM. It supports up to 32 gig of flash drive, 150-degree wide-angle lens, camera, 13,000 MP comms, battery, 3.7 volt, 1200 milliamp polymer battery. It supports 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, and it can take a 4K resolution video. It comes in red, so which I really like. Let's start opening this. By the way, it has a touchscreen display. So its good thing is it's already Android, and also it's an IPS certified camera phone. According to specification, it's a camera phone slash action camera, so it means that you can take picture and you can also do social media, take phone calls using this action cam. So snapping. So now it's already open. What we have here is the actual action cam sticker. So good thing is that it has 2 batteries, 1200 milliamp polymer battery. It has the adapter, the USB cable, and it's inside a tripod. And an extra cover. So let's take a look. There, it's opening. So what you can see is the shutter button, the record button, there's the lens. You can see the power button though. Just the up and down button from there. So the manual doesn't really show how to open this, but I figured out. So all you need to do is to remove the fisheye lens, and then you open it from the sides, and that's the time that you put the battery. So there. Then you put the lens again. So if as you can see, okay, so as you can see, a while ago it has a slot for a memory card and a SIM card because it supports 3G. So let's put the cover back and let's turn this on. Not sure how to turn this on. So I was able to figure it out. So there, it's turning on. It's taking its time to load, so let's just wait for it. In the meantime, I'll remove this. Sure, this is screen protector or what. That's fine, I'll just remove it later. Okay. So as you can see, it has a, okay, so it's Android operated. Okay, it's motion camera. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it has a fisheye lens. And it has the gallery option. The video gallery. You can also play music if you want to. The settings page. It has a browser, Facebook, file manager, Gmail, Google settings. So technically it's really an Android phone. So go to settings, usage, audio profile. So about the device, so it's Android 4.2. So that's the unboxing. I'll share videos, sample videos, and also photos on this video. So just check it.